Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can reset forgotten Windows 10, 11, 8 and 7 user password without losing data. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first check by entering password. Please enter the password. Okay, it can't open. Okay, please again enter the password. Okay, it is not worked. So now we have to use bootable USB flash drives. Okay, let's connect it to say PC. Connect USB to PC. Okay, now we have to replace utilman this one to CMD to access the password. Okay, now let's click on power button, then restart anyway. Okay, now press F12, press F12, click on USB storage device, then enter from here. Okay, press any key to boot the window. Okay, now click on next, then okay, press shift plus F10 to enable CMD. Okay, shift plus F10. Okay, then here type notepad. Okay, click enter. Okay, click on file, then open here. Click on this PC. Now we have to find where the Windows is found. Let's check this one. Okay, there is no window. Okay. Yeah, the window is found on local disk F. So now, okay, close this one. Again, close here. This one, write F. Change directory. Windows. System 32. Okay, click enter. Okay, now move utilman dot exe to utilman 2 dot exe. Okay, click enter. Then copy cmd dot exe to utilman dot exe. Okay, now enter here. Then now reboot the window. To reboot the window, just write wpe util space reboot. Okay, click enter. Okay. Now check whether utilman is replaced by CMD. Okay, to check it, just click here, this one. Yeah, the utilman is replaced by CMD. Just here, write net user, click enter. Okay, the user account is what? ETO. Okay, type net user ETO star. Okay, space star. Click enter. Okay, again enter without entering any value. Enter again. Okay, it's finished. Now just type exit. Okay. Now here click this one. Congratulations, it is opened without any password. Thank you for watching.